YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi Meats, and I am back with a nighttime POV for y'all, man. We got the Christmas tree up top. I will give y'all a walk around. We did the Christmas tree, Christmas lights, the red nose, all that stuff. Now, you know what would have made this even better? If the car was like wrapped red. It'd be like a red sleigh, right? Christmas tree. Then we got the red nose reindeer up front with the red nose, the antlers. So it's like a big ass sleigh. You feel me? If the car was wrapped red, that should be raw as hell. But yeah, currently I just left the gym. I'm driving home. So I decided to get out here and get y'all a nighttime POV. Let me know if y'all can hear the torch storm. Bro, I don't think I'll ever get tired of the way the torch storm sounds, gang. I don't think I'll ever get tired of this sound, bro. Like the blow off. Like, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Let me shut up for a second so see if y'all can hear it. And then when we stop, I'm going to stop and I'm going to get towards the gas station. Now, yeah. If y'all made it, if y'all clicked on this video, man, I just want to thank y'all for the 14,000 subs. We almost at 15,000 subs. Damn, we almost at a 20 ball, man. So I just got to be more consistent with posting and stuff like that. I don't feel like I've been as consistent as I should. I feel like I'm just trying to find videos to give y'all, but it's kind of hard to, you know, find videos to give y'all and shit, man. Ain't nothing really popping off, and I don't got any modifications right now coming in because I'm trying to make other moves, you feel me? So it's just a whole lot of stuff, but I appreciate the ones that do tap in and, you know, do watch the videos and stuff like that, and being patient with me, because like I know this car done had plenty of transformations, and I appreciate, you know, the people that still click in, and I know I'm always doing something different to the car to catch y'all live, but I feel like this car will be so much further along if I didn't keep doing like the same thing, like changing the hood or front splitters, or like just repetitive stuff like cluster swaps, steering wheel. This is probably like what, my fourth steering wheel. So Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. I feel like this car would have been well alone, but I mean, for where the car is now, like I'm pretty much proud of it, because like I said, this car came a long fucking way though. It came a long way, I'm not gonna lie. And then also like exhaust, like now, even though I got the 3-inch exhaust, y'all let me know in the comment section, because I'm thinking about doing the X pipe instead of the freaking H pipe that I got on the bottom of this. So y'all let me know in the comment section if I switch to the X pipe, and y'all let me know also if y'all actually want a video on how that would be, because like I said, this will probably be like the third, fourth time I done went to the exhaust shop and actually ended up doing exhaust modifications, bro. So like I said, I just felt like it'll be too repetitive at this point. Hold on, let me fix my lights real quick, y'all, because they showing a different color right now. All right, I'm trying to get them to where they, you know, where they do that mode. But yeah, so y'all let me know, because like I said, like I'm leaning towards the X pipe, because I don't know, I just feel like an X pipe would be pretty cool for what this car is, for like the setup of the car, like with the torque storm and how an X pipe sounds. Like it has that high pitch and higher RPMs, and it gives like a more I don't know, it just give it a different sound. So y'all let me know, man, if an X pipe is worth it on a 3-inch exhaust, because I don't know. Like I said, it's I might look into actually doing something like that. So yeah. Also, y'all gotta let me know if y'all actually want that video. Comment down below if y'all do want that video. And I guess that's a video that I'll make, because like I said, I mean, like, stuff like that, pretty cheap, pretty affordable. It ain't bank breaking. And also, I still need to do my shorty headers. But like I said, I'm trying to hold off on making like big purchases right now, unless somebody is in the Chicagoland area and they give me a good price, then I might go with them. But I'm not dropping my car off and leaving my car overnight for nobody to do no shorty headers. If somebody can't have my headers done like same day in a couple of hours, like I go pick it up later on, I'm sorry, I'm not leaving my car there overnight. I had spoke to somebody and they said, yeah, it'll have to sit over the weekend. Sit over the weekend in Chicago? Like, let's be realistic. This car sitting over the weekend in Chicago. Not taking that chance. So that one was out of the window. So yeah, so we didn't go with that. And then I got a couple quotes from a couple shops. I had to talk to my wife, honestly, if I would be able to even go through with making that purchase, because they want to do it. They quoted me, I think, $700, $750, which ain't bad. That's probably like, which ain't bad, honestly. But like I said, I would have to talk to my wife about that purchase, because like I said, we have other things that we're trying to do. I'm not going to tell y'all yet until like it's pretty much set in stone. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below what y'all think it is. And yeah, just let me know what y'all think it is, and then we'll go from there. But other than that, though, those pretty much all the updates that I really got for y'all. I kind of want to just shut up and, well, y'all, it's kind of hard for y'all to hit the what's the name? Let me crack the window real quick. Let me hopefully y'all can hear the torque storm, bro. I love this torque storm. I highly recommend the torque storm. Bang for your buck. I promise, once I get this car dialed in, tuned in, and I get some small stuff looked at and get that shit figured out, bro, I promise this car is gonna be crazy. But for right now, when I do small pulls and shit like that, it's pretty fun. I can't lie. Yeah, I remember when I first started back hooping a couple months ago, bro. Because like, I've been consistent in the gym, right? I've been consistent in the gym. When I started back hooping, bro, I used to come from hooping, and my body used to be so sore, bro. My body used to be so sore. Bro, I should have zip tied my lights down or something. I hear them shaking and doing all that shit. It sounds like my lights finna fly off. Walking around Christmas tree. But I'm probably gonna link with my homie. We gonna link Wednesday on Wednesday night, so y'all stay tuned for that. We gonna get some rollers of the cars. He got a Christmas tree with lights on his, and I have whoa. I also have, you know, as y'all know, the Christmas tree on top. I'm gonna get out here and show y'all in a minute when we finally get off this highway. But yeah. And then I'm gonna link with him. We gonna get some rollers. We gonna shoot some videos. I'm gonna probably just shoot everything off my phone, honestly, because it'll be quick, easier than the camera. Now, I wish that I still had my GoPro 360 mount and all that good stuff, because that would have been some cool footage too to drive around. But I feel like everybody and their mama is doing 360 POVs and all that shit. So I feel like it got played out kind of early in my opinion because everybody started doing it, bro. Everybody, motherfuckers was just riding around with GoPros on their stock cars, bro. Like, and I ain't saying there's nothing wrong with it, but it's like a lot of shit be like burnt out because like people just be overdoing it, bro. Just be burning shit out, bro. But like, that's the shit that be blowing me, but it is what it is. Let me get over here because I think it's yep, that bump. Yep, Let me get out the fast lane, matter of fact. Because, yeah, I'm only going about 55. I wish I would have zip tied my lights, but they just really tangled in the fucking tree. So I should have zip tied them. I would have felt a little more safer going faster. A little more safer. Oh, let me show y'all. There's a Christmas tree right here too. Look. Let me zoom in. Oh my God, look at the iPhone 17. Look what that motherfucker. Oh, let me zoom out. It's right there. I don't know if y'all can see. Look, it's right there. Oh shit, I'm in the other lane. Oh shit, I'm tweaking. Alright, so I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a little bit and I'm gonna give y'all a walk around of the car. I'm gonna go post up about some Christmas lights and I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna show y'all the car under the Christmas lights, man. Hopefully y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn post notifications so say I don't miss a drop. And hopefully y'all enjoy the Christmas POV late time night drive, whatever you want to call it. You dig? And yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy it. Like I said, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get near these Christmas trees and yeah. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we at the spot and they got they shit lit full of Christmas trees. I mean, well, full of just lights and shit. So we finna go stop in here real quick so I can show y'all my Christmas tree on top of the 300. Show y'all my Christmas tree and shit, man. Show y'all my Christmas tree. Nope. Okay. Grab my keys. Oh, y'all see the 300 on the ground right there, man. All right, so as y'all can see, my Christmas tree on top of the 300. Get y'all a walk around. My lights did pretty good up there. Hey, up there. Yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all let me know. Oh shit, that curb came out of nowhere. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I know it's kind of dark. Well, my car's blacked out. Oh, and we got the TRX lights. Y'all hear the torque storm? Yeah. Pretty soon, I'm gonna have to do my oil change on my torque storm too. Even though it's not, I doubt, I highly doubt my torque storm is at it's at 10,000, because I think you gotta change the, I think the manual said every 10,000 miles, I believe. Yeah. And then this remote, this motherfucker come with a remote too, y'all. These are the battery operated ones, man. Next year, I think we really gonna do like the full car. We're gonna do like the full car in Christmas lights. I don't know, we'll see. I wanted to do this shit last year, but I ain't end up doing it. I was being lazy. But this time, I found the Christmas tree. Damn, look at this. Hold on. Let me get my thumbnail. Get my thumbnail. But yeah, I found the Christmas tree for like 20 bucks, man. 20 bucks. I hopped on that, man, went and picked up the Christmas tree. Only reason why I did that shit, man, because the Christmas tree was cheap as hell. $20, you can't beat that. Ordered the lights from Amazon. I think that was like another 16 bucks. Boom, called it one. And then, yeah, y'all let me know. I kind of, oh shit, I just stuttered hard as hell. I kind of want to keep the roof rack on there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I kind of want to keep the roof rack on there when the actual tree is off. And still rock the roof rack. What y'all think, man? Should I leave the roof rack on? Should I do like a black on black BMX bike to match or something, bro? Just because type shit, you know? Like, I don't know, man. Just because type shit. Also, I do still want to go coilovers. Man, I swear, grabbing these rims was the best. These probably like some of the best rims on this Chrysler, in my opinion. Like, you cannot beat these. These look super good. Bro, I want to talk about this too as well, bro. I have not seen, like, I promise you, I was not seeing Chryslers with the caliper covers. Like, I was not seeing y'all at first rock them. Y'all said, y'all was in the comments at first talking like y'all was talking crazy. Y'all was like, not all of y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and say all of y'all. But some of y'all was in the comments talking crazy about the caliper covers with the Brembo stickers. Bro, you can't beat this style. This shit look good. Now, when I get on TikTok, all I see, excuse me, all I see is people with caliper covers, bro, with the Brembo stickers. I promise I was the first one to do this. I promise you I was the first one to do this. Now I be seeing hella people doing this shit now, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. But car look mean. So I'm finna go ahead and get a couple TikToks. I'm gonna close out this video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this nighttime POV. Like I said, let me know in my comment section what type of videos y'all want to see. Y'all want me to start collabing more or whatever the case is, I'll collab more. If y'all want to see modification videos, if y'all want to, yeah, you know, whatever y'all want to see, man, let your boy know. And I will try to get those videos to y'all, man. All y'all got to do is let me know. But I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.